Hi, welcome. Well, today we're going to learn how to make a chevron. Chevron is the easiest pattern, but the second easiest pattern to make for a friendship bracelet. I hope you learned something from this video at the end. So I'm going to attach this. I already made a loop. You will have made it in a previous video, so I'm going to attach it here and hope that it stays. So now you can see that it's already been divided. 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. We are going to start with the pink because it's on the edge. And we're going to use this string. We're going to make two forward knots, two forward knots on this one and on this one. And here we're going to use this string here. We're going to make two backward knots on this one and on this one. Now, just in case you don't know what forward knots are, forward knots is basically just taking the left string and placing it like this, making a 4. See my hand? Pushing it inside and pulling it through. You do this twice for a forward knot. There, you can see. Let me go in a little bit more. Okay, you see? Okay. We're going to repeat that. 1. I will do it again. 2. Now, so we're going to leave this one here. Now it's in the middle. So we're going to come here and do the same thing with this one. We're going to do it again. Now, this is going to be a backward knot. See? A backward knot makes a D. You could just say reverse 4, but same thing as a D. You go 1, 4, and the second one. Now we're going to do it again here. 1 and 2. So now, since we're in the middle, I prefer to make forward knots, but since it's the same color, you can choose. You can make a backward knot, you can make a forward knot. It's your choice. Now see it. Now we're going to hold this. We're going to do it again. Now I'm going to start from the right. I'll take this purple string and make backward knots on the dark pink and pink string. Remember to be very careful because you don't want this knot here to get loose. There. Now I'm going to repeat it on the other side too. Now I'm going to hold this one here because I'm doing three forward knots now. Since I'm going to do a forward knot when it gets to the middle, I'm just going to do it either way. So and now while I'm still holding this string, I'm going to kick it from the right. Sorry, from the left. I'm just doing this because I'm already holding the string. You can drop it and take from the other side if you like. Two forward knots. I'm going to keep it here. And I'm going to take this one and make two backward knots. And there you have it. You just made a chevron. Now you repeat the same process. And remember, in friendship bracelets, the more strings you have, the larger the bracelet. I only have 6 strings, 3 colors, 6 strings. That's why it's this small. If you had more strings, it would be better. It would be better. Now, let me give it a closer look. So look at it. This is what it looks like. Now, just in case I didn't mention it, I don't actually have a preference when I get to the middle. If I'm holding the strings, if that side, like now, if I'm holding it with my left hand and I'm on the left side, I'm going to make a backward knot over the middle string. But if I'm holding it on the right, I will make a backward knot